bacon-wrapped cheese-stuffed brats with dunkel beer. Hey, welcome back to Smoking and Drinking. I'm Mike, and today we're making bacon-wrapped cheese-stuffed brats. Let's get smoking. It's Father's Day today, and we're making our bacon-wrapped cheese-stuffed brats. And we're gonna go. It's a pretty simple recipe. Trying to get on with the holiday. Don't want to spend the whole day smoking, so we're using just Johnsonville brats. We've got 5 of them here. The flies are ready to eat too. It's a simple recipe. We're going to simmer the brats for about 20 minutes in beer. We've got Alley-Oop Dunkel Lager from Free State Brewery here in Kansas, and we're going to add half of a red onion and 2 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to simmer that on the smoker for about 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and get going with that. Get our lager in there. And our half a red onion. And 2 cloves of garlic. And I've got the smoker preheated with hickory pellets, and we're running at about 180, 190 right now. We're just on the smoke setting really, but we're just, like I said, we're just going to simmer these. We don't really want to cook them too much. We just want to kind of simmer them and get that flavor into the broth. So we're going to get those on. We're just going to let that go for about 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, it's been about 25 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull the brats off. Oh, yeah. And then we're just going to let those cool for a while so that they're a little easier to handle. And then we're going to slice them, stuff them, and wrap them. So we're going to let those cool. We'll be right back. Okay, we've let the brats cool down so that we can handle them. They're ready to go here. And we've got our Colby, cheddar cheese. And we're just going to go ahead and slice each brat so that we have a place to put the cheese so we can stuff them. Got a little boat there, and then we're going to take each, they're a little long, and break them off just a little bit. Stuff our cheese in there. Oh boy. Got a little extra small pieces, maybe a little pupper will have a chance to have some. Maybe. And 1 extra slice for the chef. All right. Now we take our bacon. Take probably 8 slices of bacon, and I use regular cut. Some people like the thick cut. I prefer the regular cut, classic cut. And we're just gonna wrap these brats. Probably take 2 slices per. Get them covered real well. so that we covered so that we hold the cheese in there. We don't want our cheese oozing out. All right, there's one. Okay, we got our 5 brats wrapped. I said we'd use 8 slices of bacon. I forgot we had 5 brats. That's 10 slices of bacon. All right, got them stuffed and wrapped. The sun coming through here. We're going to add some of my golden hog dust. It's a pork rub, and just going to generously season them with some of that. If you are making this, following along at home, you might need toothpicks if the bacon doesn't want to stay on. I tried to get the wraps to end on the bottom. That didn't work so well, but that's okay. Okay, then we're just gonna get these on the smoker for about an hour. We want to get that internal temperature up to about 160. So let's get them on the smoker. We're going to put them right directly on the grill. We put the smoker temp up to about 250, 275, excuse me. Let's just get these right on the smoker grill. Try and keep all the bacon wrapped together. There we go. And I kind of put them crosswise at an angle so that the bacon doesn't slip through the grill grates as easily. But all right, we're gonna let that go for about an hour. We'll check it and make sure that we get the temp up about 160, and then we'll move on. Also have a glaze that we'll put on the last 10 or 15 minutes of the smoke. It's a barbecue, maple, and we added a little bit of the Dunkel beer. Had to open a second bottle for that, so can't waste it. That's good. We'll be back in about an hour. We'll check on those. All right. The brats are at 160. We're going to put this glaze on and crank the temperature up and just kind of tack the glaze up a little bit. Again, this is barbecue sauce and maple syrup and a little bit of the Dunkel beer. So we're just going to glaze these up a little bit. Crank the temp all the way up, get that started. And we'll just glaze the tops of them. All right. And then we're going to let that go for about 10 minutes. That should tack them up, and then we'll pull them off and get a taste. All right, we've got the brats off. They are finished. The glaze tacked up nice, and we are ready to cut into these. Now we've got our Alley-Oop Dunkel Lager from Free State Brewery, and I just can't wait. We got to get into these babies. Let's see, we're going to take this one right here. Take a slice off the end. Brats are done on the inside. The cheese is nice and melty. Bacon's a little bit crispy. Here we go. That's really good. Got a nice hickory smoke flavor to it. And nice cheddar cheese flavor. Bacon gives it a nice rounding out, nice top on it. Nice and juicy. Oh, that's really good. Try this dunkel. Oh yeah, that goes nicely with the bacon-wrapped cheese-stuffed brats. Well, that about does it. I want to thank you all for tuning in and joining me while we make the brats today on Father's Day. If you're a father, happy Father's Day. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And be sure and subscribe. It really helps us out on the channel here. It helps me continue to bring these videos to you and every Sunday morning. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. And subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. So let's get another little bite here. Again, thank you all for tuning in. As always, Prost! Wow.